students, continuing with the class discussion today, we are taking up a task 1 in which there is a bar chart, and we will be talking about the bar chart. We have discussed this in the class. Here is the chart. We have discussed that it is about the percentage of urban population in the urban areas. Urban areas mean cities, and urban areas, cities. Different parts of the world can be called various regions of the world. You should make quick and very lucid, very clear notes, and from looking at the notes you should be able to attempt your task, because if you are looking at the task picture once again, you confuse yourself. 3 discrete years, 1950, 2007. These will, when we talk about these, we'll be talking about in the past tense, and 2050 in future tense. Lot of data is there, so only special cases of data will be mentioned, and clubbing of data is required. How I have clubbed the data is Africa and Asia. The percentage was least in all years. 15 to 37, 15, 37, 62 for the first, and 17, 41, 66. Almost similar. Europe, Latin America or Caribbean, it is 51, 72, 82 for the first name, and 41, 70. Almost similar figures. North America, the maximum percentage of urbanized population in each year was here 64, 79, 90. And on Oceania, Oceania has slightly similar figures to North America, but not exactly. And the main difference is in the future trend. You can see that North America would have 90% of its population in the cities, whereas Oceania would have around 76. You can club these information and give the minimum information, the most essential information. I have written overall in 2 ways. Overall, in all the 6 regions, in every region, the trend of urbanization of population grew considerably in 2007. 2007 में ज़्यादा था as compared to, और कभी भी compare to नहीं लिखना, compared D to 1950, and it is expected to rise even further in 2050. एक तो ओवरऑल ये है कि हर जगह पर 2007 में ज़्यादा पॉपुलेशन की परसेंटेज अर्बनाइज थी कंपेयर टू 1950, और 2050 में और ज़्यादा बढ़ने वाली है. अच्छा, तो ओवरऑल एक और तरीके से लिखा जा सकता है. ओवरऑल इन ईच ऑफ द फर्स्ट 2 years, द रीजन वेयर द मैक्सिमम परसेंटेज ऑफ पॉपुलेशन लिव्ड इन सिटीज वॉज नॉर्थ अमेरिका, and the least percentage of population was found in Africa. It is expected that in 2050 the situation would be similar. Only the percentage of urbanized population would be much higher in 2050 in every region. Okay, these are 2 types of overall. We have discussed this in the class. I have written just 1 line about the least to give you an indication on how you should be writing this. In 1950, near about 15 and 17% of the population of Africa and Asia lived in cities respectively. I mentioned both Africa and Asia before I used respectively. This percentage rose by approximately 22 percentage points for the former and 24 percentage points for the latter. How I have used former and latter. In 2050, the urbanized population is estimated to jump. You can write will jump by a further 25 percentage points each. दोनों के लिए 25-25 percentage point बढ़ जाएंगे, और आप इनके साथ अप्रॉक्सीमेटली वगैरह लगा सकते हो. तो आप कमेंट करिए, और आप अपने दोस्तों के साथ इसको शेयर भी कर सकते हैं.